Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about Deco Mini 7. Okay, XP pen which I already bought from a Chroma. Okay, this time I bought from a, you can also buy it from Amazon, and you can see that you can get 1 year extended warranty by just log into the site xppen.co.in, and then you can register yourself and register the product. Then you will get this extended warranty, or you can scan this barcode as well. Okay, so now we are going to open that tablet and let's have a look. So before going ahead, we can see that this product comes with let's say the pen, which doesn't require any battery. Okay, and the resolution of this is 5080 lpi. The report rate is 220 rps. Okay, and the power input is DC 5 volt. Port compatibility, it will work on a USB port, and it is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 also. Okay, it also support Android, so you can use this tablet with Android as well. Okay, so you can use this with your phone as well as your tablet. So